Morning, everybody. What's going on? I'm out here. I wanted to show you something that I figured out on this Westinghouse generator that we got. It's the Westinghouse wgen9500dfc, the dual fuel where you can hook it up to propane as well. So this generator's brand new, and we hadn't really used it because we got it over the winter. And went to fire it up the other day, or yesterday actually, so that I could go use it at our community well out on this ranch that we live on, so to get water. Anyway, so the generator itself kept tripping the c02 sensor and shutting it off after about 30 seconds. After about an hour of fiddle-dicking around with this thing, trying to get it to run, I started trying to hunt down the c02 sensor, because I'd saw some videos, people trying to unplug it, bypass it, all kinds of stuff, right? Well, let me turn you around, and I'll show you where that sensor is, and we'll go from there. Okay, so these are the lights for that sensor, but this right here is your c02 sensor, all right? And yesterday when I was trying to start this thing, I'm literally in this same spot, in open air, and it was about 10 to 12 mile an hour winds yesterday, and it still was tripping this stupid ass sensor. All right, now give me a second. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna show you what I did. Now, I don't condone doing this unless you're doing it for testing, obviously, because you know it's not safe. I could never tell you to take this off and disable it. But let me show you what I did for testing purposes. Okay, so this is the sensor. That's the part number and all that jazz if you want it. So I thought, well, if I can unhook this thing, maybe, you know, it won't shut off the generator. Well, that's an 8-prong connector there. So there's a whole lot more going through this thing than just the power to this thing. So you can't bypass it out like that. I tried and it still kept dying on me. But if you look right there, you can see there's about 15 cents worth of black electrical tape. There's a holes there that let air in, and there's holes there on that side that let air in. I just wrapped this thing, again, only for testing purposes. Surely I wouldn't run this like this, and I don't think you should either. But that fixed the problem. This thing runs like a champ now for 15 cents worth of electrical tape. I called up, I thought that maybe I could call Westinghouse and they would help me troubleshoot it yesterday. They wanted to send me on a 4-hour drive to a repair center. 15 cents worth of electrical tape, people. Anyway. Hope that helps you out. And hope you have a good day. Peace.